Hello student, this is Navneet and welcome to my channel eLearning Guruji. This is another video of the series class 11th chapter number, it's a poem, last poem, Hornbill book, Father to Son. Father to Son, the poet of this poem is Elizabeth Jennings. Elizabeth Jennings की ये poem है और इसमें जो है poem में बताया गया है कि father अपने son के बारे में क्या सोच रहा है, उसमें क्या क्या changes आए. So how the summary of the poem is, I do not understand this child though we have lived together now in the same house for years. फादर जो अपने बच्चे के बारे में बोल रहा है कि बच्चा जब जो है छोटा था तो तब जो है हम दोनों एक साथ में रहते थे, मैंने इसको बहुत हेल्प की है, जो भी इसके मूव्स होते थे एवरी मूव आई हेल्प्ड हिम. And now the child is grown up little bit, and now we have lots of sadness. We don't talk, we feel like strangers in the house. We have lived in the same house for so many years, but still we feel like strangers to each other. तो इस हिसाब से जो है अपने बच्चे, जब बच्चा बड़ा हो जाता है तो उसकी जो सिचुएशन है, क्योंकि आजकल की जनरेशन में क्या हो रहा है कि एवरी चाइल्ड वांट्स टू लिव देयर लाइफ देयर ओन वे, है ना. They don't want any suggestions from the elders. They want very less suggestions from elders and fathers and parents and school teachers. So इस तरह से ये कॉमन जो जनरेशन, जो अभी जो सोच है जनरेशन की, उसको जो है यहाँ पे पोएट ने जो है फादर टू सन में एक्सप्रेस किया है. सो देर आर 4 स्टैंजास इन द पोएम. तो उसमें जो है यही बात की गई है कि पहले हम लोग जो है इसी घर में जो है बहुत सालों से रहे हैं, इसी छत के नीचे बहुत सालों से रहे हैं, एंड नाउ वी फील लाइक स्ट्रेंजर. अब हम लोग बात नहीं करते हैं. अब मुझे लग रहा है कि जो ये बचपन का जो बीज मैंने बोया था, ये पता नहीं बीज जो बोया था उसका जो अब फल आ रहा है, वो मुझे लग रहा है कि हमारे बीच में बहुत सारे गैप्स हैं, मुझे सही नहीं लग रहा है. तो इस तरह से अपनी सैडनेस, अपनी एगनी को जो है फादर हैज़ एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द पोएम. And he felt very sad because he's comparing the situation to the childhood, when the child was actually a small, very small, and where he was in love with father, and everything he was doing, he wanted to make his father proud. तो उस हिसाब से इसमें बताया गया. तो now the question answers, there are few questions, summary में इतना ही था. The question number 1 is, does the poem talk of an exclusive personal experience, or is it fairly universal? Yes. So the poem is talking about a personal experience between father and son, how the father feels now when the child is grown up about 16 17 years old, and what his mental attitude is. And it is a universal situation because this generation is giving everyone, I mean everyone behaving almost the same way. When child grows up at 16 17, तो वो अपने फादर पेरेंट्स की कम सुनना पसंद करता है, rather than he would love to live in his own world. ठीक है, तो ये जो है fairly universal situation है. Number 2, how is the father's helplessness brought out in the poem? Now the father feels very helpless because he's comparing the situation to the very childhood of his child, because when the child was very small, so that point of time father has helped him to teach every move, and how to stand, how to crawl, and how to identify people, how to talk. So that kind of love father is missing now. There is so much, they feel like strangers, they live in the same roof but they don't talk much, and so that's why father is helpless by looking at his child's grown-up mental state. Number 3, identify the phrases and lines that indicate distance between father and son. So there are few lines that indicates the distance between father and son, like we don't talk to each other anymore, and silence surrounds them, okay, and we speak like strangers. So these are the few lines that that tells the something about father and the distance father and son have. Now the last one we have, does the poem have a consistent rhyme scheme? No, the poem does not have any consistent rhyme scheme, because when we talk about the rhyme scheme means every sentence is disclosing some kind of pain. So that is nowhere discussed. It is just an agony the father feels about his son. So that's all student, poem में इतना ही था. I hope you liked it. If you want me to cover any more detailed thing, definitely write in suggestions, subscribe and share it with your fellow students. Thank you.